my name is Dr. Kelvin Mackey, founder of STEM Global Action, and I want to say thank you all for coming out, and more importantly, thank you all for having us in your community. To the parents, to the mothers, the fathers, the grandparents, the caregivers that decide to bring your son, daughter, grandchild, a child you care about out here today, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, because this is what the rest of the world is doing with their children. We're here today to tell our children, and more importantly, show our children what they can be. And if they can touch it, if they can see it, if they can dream it, guess what? They can achieve it.
Okay.
So did you see where the chambers?
Yeah.
The chambers?
Chambers? So
oh yeah, the chamber in the heart. Where the blood comes in and it pumps.
You can look, you got young people eyes now. There you go, right? Now what we got? Now put yours in there. Now put yours in there.
Today's STEM Global Action is in Kansas City, Missouri, hosting a STEM festival for the kids in Kansas City. We are here doing hands-on engagement here in partnership with Irma L. Williams Learning Center, Warner Williams LLC, AABE, the American Association of Blacks in Energy, as well as the STEAM Village, to host an engaging experience for kids in the Kansas City area. They're able to explore the planetarium in our Star Lab. They're flying drones, they're making a propeller car. They're even talking to a robot that has artificial intelligence. Our K through 2 kids, they're building jitter characters and doing volcanoes and pop rockets to have an amazing experience here in Kansas City today.
Actually, I got tired of them making experiments in the tub and in the sink with the toilet paper and the toothpaste, and so I knew they were interested in STEM, and so it was nice to have this in the community for them just to explore and touch. I'm normally a hands-off mom, don't touch that, don't break that, and so for them to just get their hands in, touch and explore, I love it. So yeah.
Dr. Mackey is doing an amazing job all over this world, and when we hooked up, we were like kindred spirits. What he's doing is galvanizing the community and introducing them to STEM. What our organization does is say, let's take the STEM talent and skills that you develop and let's apply it in our community to disrupt poverty that's prevalent in our communities.
And you get to keep the car. And it's a car that works with a motor and a fan. It's a wind-powered car.
Okay.
So if I were you, I'd go in there next and make my car and then come out here and do the rest.
These wires together and these ones, and then this works, and then it goes forward.
Turn on.
The Irma L. Learning Center aligned with the STEM and just education in general, because they start at a young age and they teach the kids like the fundamentals, and they are working with them to develop the reading, math, the understanding, so they're helping to develop their brains.
It is very important. What we do is we try to make sure that children, blacks and other minorities or disadvantaged minorities are enabled into the STEM fields. First of all, and then secondarily, to bring them into the energy industry space, to work in the energy industry. Energy makes the world go around, and energy is a platform to catapult from poverty into a higher income status, breaking the income gap, for young children.
It's so important because we know that our youth throughout our urban core, throughout our city, that don't have access to programs like this. They don't understand. Maybe this is going to be their first introduction to STEM, and so I'm so excited about what this will mean for our youth.
Well, so I'm excited about the robots. Really just excited about what this means to our youth. They have quite a bit of opportunities to engage and learn and dream big, and so just excited about what it means for them.